Hello guys, I hope you are quite well. These are Waterdrop texture overlay collection. These are WinRAR files. You just need to extract this. You can download it from the link in the description. Just need to click on this link and you will come to my website bulk GFX, and here you can download from here. Just click on download now, and this is about the file template. You can download it, and here just need to download anyway, start download, and this file gonna be start downloading and you can download it. So just come here. This is WinRAR file, so you need to extract it. This extract, and here these are overlays. This is for macOS X system, the Apple, and these are for Windows JPG and Waterdrop. Just open this, and JPG for Apple, the one who uses macOS system, and these are high quality JPG images, Waterdrops. You can see them. These are almost 17. Each image is high quality, and these are Waterdrop texture 1 and texture 2. This is before and after image. You can add this image to a normal image to its background. You can check this. Also this. Thanks for watching this video. I hope this data is quite useful for you. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel and also like this video. Take care.